In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can instantly remove the background on any image. Coming up. Alright, so we're going to be keeping this video short and simple. We're using clipping magic for today's tutorial. We're going to be clicking on the blue box, uploading an image, and then we're going to be, let's say, we'll use this picture, for example. You see my cursor. On the right side, you can see the result. This is how it's going to look like. And on the left side, we're going to be making our marks. We're going to be doing the editing on the left side. So you see my cursor is green right now. This is going to be the foreground. So I want to stay in the picture. So I'm going to be covering myself with green. All right. And then I'm going to be covering the background with red. You see my cursor just turned red. We're just going to be, just outlining the background with red. You don't need to be a professional to use clipping magic, because I certainly am not a professional, but they keep it really simple for us. Oh, you see we missed a spot over there. All right, we just scroll in and scroll out to zoom in and zoom out on the mouse, and that is basically it. We're going to be downloading this. Looks good. And with this we just taken out the background, and you can use this document for making flashy Facebook ad copies. You can make YouTube thumbnails, or you can just have fun with it. You can make silly pictures of it, whatever you like to do with it. So if I were to put a background behind this, it would look something like this. It looks very eye-catching. It look like it can get a lot of clicks on YouTube with this. You can add some text over here, add some emojis, whatever like. You can go freestyle on it. If you are interested in learning how I make my YouTube thumbnails, then leave a comment down below letting me know that you guys want to see more. And I would make a separate video following up on Photoshop, how I use it. And that wraps up this video. So if you enjoyed what you just saw, please give me 2 thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate your help. Also, the links are in the description below to follow me on Instagram, on Facebook. I post a lot of content over there that I don't post on YouTube. So I will see you in the next video.